We are delighted to present our outstanding gold project based in Paynes Fine, WA, forming the basis of our company. Paynes Fine Gold is a publicly listed gold exploration company registered in Western Australia and based in Perth. Exploring for a large, open-cut mineable, low-grade gold deposit in an area of widespread gold mineralization at Paynes Find in Western Australia. Located approximately 420 kilometres northeast of Perth, the area is serviced by the sealed Great Northern Highway and is located in a historically significant gold-producing region. The Mount Magnet Gold Mining Centre, with the Hill 50 gold mine, which has produced in excess of 4.85 million ounces, and the Morning Star mine, which has produced some 2 million ounces, is some 90 kilometres to the north. Several smaller gold mining centres are located within a radius of up to 50 kilometres. This area of gold-bearing quartz lodes, identified by numerous mine shafts and abandoned workings, extends from south of the Pansy Lode, in the south to north of the Bluebell, in the north a distance of more than 3 kilometres. The Paynes Fine Goldfield was named after Thomas Payne, who, in 1911, was the first prospector to register a lease for gold mining with the Mines Department. In 1987, the state government battery was sold to the Taylor family and is still operating today as the Paynes Fine Gold Battery, now a popular tourist attraction. A display centre is next to the battery. From 1911 to 1982, some 69,000 tonnes of ore produced 1,784 kilograms, 57,363 ounces of gold at an average grade of 25 grams per tonne of gold. During the 1930s, about 500 people lived around the Paynes Find with their families, prospecting for gold by digging shallow shafts and by dry blowing, hoping to strike it rich. During World War II, many men were called away, leaving behind only a few families. The Taylor family had owned and mined the majority of the Paynes Fine gold leases since 1932. It's believed that the 110-ounce gold nugget found by Huffer and Gessner in 1912, one of WA's largest, came from this area. Within the area of Paynes Fine Gold Project, the Paynes Fine Tavern and Roadhouse is providing services to local mine workers, with meals and serviced rooms. The airport is located on site, where the Flying Doctor regularly utilises this airstrip. It takes around a 1-hour flight from Perth Jandakot Airport by light aircraft to get to Paynes Find. Gold at Paynes Find was mined by pioneers using traditional manual mining methods in times when mechanical equipment was scarce. The Carnation shaft is one of the oldest workings, manually mined to a depth of 280 metres, using rope and winch and conventional handheld hard rock mining methods. Carnation produced 21,450 ounces of gold between 1912 and 1951, averaging 31 grams per tonne, an average of an ounce of gold from a tonne of ore. Paynes Fine Gold has a significant tenement package which covers practically all of the historic Paynes Fine Goldfield in an area of 588 hectares. Paynes Fine Gold's tenement area is some 5.5 kilometres long by 2 kilometres wide, with 41 major gold-bearing lines of lode identified together with 36 historic gold mines that previously mined grades ranging from 15 grams per tonne of gold to as much as 150 grams per tonne of gold. In 2011, the Stage 1 drilling program consisted of 3,800 metres in 69 reverse circulation drill holes, centred on the southern extensions of the Carnation, Blue Heaven line of old workings, over an area of around 330 metres along strike and 110 metres across strike, straddling the western faulted contact zone of the mineralised area. Results from the drill program confirm the presence of near-surface gold mineralisation, which occurred over widths potentially amenable to bulk selective mining. The Stage 2 diamond drilling and RC drilling program, completed in September 2012, consisted of 5,326 metres of RC drilling in 54 holes to a maximum depth of 250 metres, and 6 diamond drill holes for a cumulative 1,540 metres to a maximum depth of up to 480 metres. Traces of visible gold were noted in some diamond core. With 40% of Stage 2 drilling sample analysis received, Paynes Fine Gold Limited recently announced an encouraging 271 grams per tonne intersection on the company's mining tenements. The results quantify occurrences of visible gold, and the company believes the drill results to date confirm the potential for the Paynes Fine mining leases to host economic gold mineralization. Results from Stage 2 drilling include 3 metres at 92.1 grams per tonne from 41 metres in PFRC 120, including 1 metre at 271 grams per tonne of gold. 2 metres at 3.28 grams per tonne of gold from 96 metres in PFRC 110. 3 metres at 4.94 grams per tonne of gold from 114 metres in PFRC 112. 5 metres at 1.24 grams per tonne of gold from 40 metres in PFRC 118. 2 metres at 2.56 grams per tonne from 69 metres in PFRC 120. 5 metres at 1.24 grams per tonne of gold from 91 metres in PFRC 121, and 2 metres at 2.56 grams per tonne from 8 metres in PFRC 123-1. The main host for gold mineralization in the Paynes Fine Mining Centre is hornblended, biotite, quartz, gneiss. Steeply plunging gold-rich shoots in the quartz veins vary from a few centimetres to several metres wide and dip at from 45 degrees to 85. Mapping has shown that gold also occurs in the fine stringer zones between the main quartz veins, which were generally ignored historically. The Paynes Fine gneiss is flanked to the west by a suite of mafic and ultramafic rocks, which are also host to gold mineralization. It is a well-known historical fact that Paynes Fine has been producing high-grade gold for over 100 years. However, the Paynes Fine goldfield has never been explored intimately by exploration strategies utilising modern technologies to evaluate the potential for a large, low-grade resource. Furthermore, Paynes Fine Gold Limited, as a public listed entity, is now in a prominent position, having access to a complete package of mining leases to explore the potential for large-scale open-pit mining. Paynes Fine Gold has transformed the exploration of this important goldfield. With encouraging results from Stage 2 drilling, Paynes Fine Gold strategy will remain to develop a large tonnage of low-grade gold mineralisation to take advantage of the current gold price, rather than focus only on the high-grade veins. This is a similar strategy to that of the Boddington Gold Mine, which operates one of WA's largest mines. With only 5% of the gold mineralised area so far tested by modern drilling methods, there remains a high potential for discovery of a large, low-grade, open-pit mineable gold resource in the Paynes Fine mining leases.